What's up, dope boys and dope girls? We're about to get y'all off with another DIY video. We out here in the garage, man, about to put in a little bit of work real quick. You feel me? What you say, 2009? 2009 Chevy HHR. We about to do a door replacement. Speakers. We're about to replace the door speakers. Real quick before we get to it, I lost a lot of footage on this video. You know what I mean? So it's real kind of choppy and stuff, but I still appreciate y'all watching. Let's get into this video. We're about to put these Kenwoods in door panels. About to change all 4 of them out, front and back. You feel me? For the customer. Get them right. Let's see what it sounds like right now before we even start. Well, as y'all see, that's the loudest we go. And look how far we got it up. We got it up all the way. Only the tweeters working in the door, so we about to get them work popping real quick. Alright, so I couldn't find my door popper. So I just grabbed a long screwdriver. It's the same thing. You just want to get it. You want to pop it with the screwdriver by where you feel it's one of those clips that. So we're going to do the same thing on the inside. Door panel off. Now we gotta, in order to get this door panel off of here, we need to release this, which you just pull it up, pull this piece up and out. This piece right here, you'll see it down here in the little door handle clip, and it just go back in the same way. Just put this piece back in there, and these grooves right here, they slide. It's a groove for it down there to slide into. So now we're gonna finish getting this on. It's a clip. You can pause it on. Alright, so we got the front door panel off and back on. Now we're gonna get the back one off. Same way we got the front one off, we're gonna get the back with a T30. There's 2 in there. Normally it's a black little piece covering it up, but it's none on here. I ain't checked the other side yet. Get this bolt up out of here. That bolt don't want to come out. Let's get these needle nose. 2 of them. Now we're gonna hit same piece that was behind the front doors. Another one behind this door. It's a little piece behind here. Where to tell you where to put where to put the little screwdriver at. And it's another T30 behind here. Pop that out. It's 3 bolts. And then let's get the long screwdriver. Because I don't have my door popper. And we going, and we got to pull out this little pin. Probably want to push it in a little first. and then pull it out. That's the easiest way. Push it in first, pull it out. Now, we get behind here, wherever you feel the little pin at. A clip right here. Wait. Okay, we might start at the bottom. There we go. Now we pop it. See that we're sitting flush, so we're gonna make sure that's back flush right there. Back out.
Well, it broke.
What broke?
This piece right here.
No, it ain't. No.
Oh. Go ahead, you doing it.
This back one. Let's see. How do we get this one out?
Yeah, let the window down.
No. To be honest, to snap that out, we ain't even gotta take this all the way out. It would help. Oh, it's a clip. It's a clip right there. And pull it up out. We'll see how easy it is to get back in there. Pull that out of there. Let's see, this was a 7 right there. 7. Might need the little screwdriver to pull this out a little bit. Just start it. And it pops right out of there. This one, we just gonna probably cut this piece. Well, not cut it, but just pull it out. But the needle nose is a lot quicker after we do it once. Get the hang of it. Second time around, it'll be easy. So that lets you know the rest of the doors, they gonna come easy too. Now that we done did it once. Yep. We're gonna cut this clip off of here. Normally, I would have my wire cutters, but I would just slice this.
I got some at the house too.
Yeah, I got some too. They out there in the shed, baby. Get that out of there. We're gonna cut it down some more. Slice that wire up some more. Be careful with that razor. So since I don't have my cutters, we're gonna get hood. And you got light razor? Oh, I got one right here. We're gonna burn these off. Be careful. Recommend you having the wire cutters. That way you can just clip the end off but we know that this is going to wrap around the speaker connections, so you definitely want to pull off enough wire to wrap around the new speaker. But these speakers also come with some connectors. Alright, pause it. We're going to mark these holes. Recording. We're going to mark these holes where we're going to put this, where we're going to drill at. 2 marks. One right here, one right here. Now we're about to drill. Alright, so I got a bag of heat shrinkers. Could have did that on the front door, but these wires are a little shorter. So we're going to wrap these. Wrap them real good. Get that in there. Put it inside the heat shrinker.
You showed them as positive negatives?
Yeah. We can switch them around once we get it on. It don't really make a big difference if you ain't got no system. Now we got the, it'll be good if I had a torch lighter, but you can see how it shrinks up. Nice safe connection. Nice quick safe connection. Now we're gonna see.
I know that you gon' get it, you got so much.
Got sound. Drilled the hole. We're about to put it.
I love that song. More of that in 2021.
Sound a lot louder than it did when we first cut it on.
DJ Mr. King closing out that 8 o'clock mix.
And look what we got the value at.
So keep that radio up and stuck where you got it. We are Power 107.5, 106.3.
For years, you've been thinking about getting LASIK. You've been talking about getting LASIK.
So, yeah.
And now, it's finally time to get LASIK.
Another DIY video from your boy, man, Billy Graham. Go like, subscribe, hit that share button. 1,000 subscribers, like I said, man, we giving away that money. This is a 2009 Chevy HHR. Show you how to replace the factory door speakers and how to remove the door panels at the same time. Alright, thanks for watching, man. Y'all go like and subscribe this video. BCB Custom, it's the Graham way.